Hello everyone, welcome to Hima tutorials. In today's video, I am going to give update regarding Tspsc examinations. Okay? Just now, Tspsc has released a web note regarding schedule of written examinations of Group 1, Group 2 and Group 3 services. As we already know that Tspsc has scheduled Group 1 prelims on June 9, 2024. Now they scheduled exam dates for Group 2, Group 1 mains and Group 3. Okay, Group 2 exam is on 7th and 8th August 2024 and Group 1 mains from 21st October onwards and Group 3 examination is on 17th and 18th November 2024. So this is the update regarding Group 1, Group 2 and Group 3 examinations. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Hima Tutorials. Thank you.